Well, we have a first phase in the operation that started in February of this year. We're actually changing over the coin mechanisms from Belgian francs to a system that accepts both Belgian francs and euros. As you know, in the course of 2 months, the first 2 months of 2002, the national currency exists together with the euro. So our vending machines must, by the end of this year, be ready to accept both of them. Since September 1st, any company can go at their bank and get a trial set, which we are doing now too, but we wanted to start already in February of 2001, so we had to pay large amounts of guarantees to get those coins. I can assure you that we had quite some work to get ready and to make this massive plan work. I can imagine that for smaller companies it's not all that simple, whereas I must confirm that we have had excellent cooperation from the National Mint Institute and the National Bank in Belgium, who are actually working as agencies to help us as a Belgian branch of Coca Cola to get up and set up and be ready for the use of the euro.
Agenten met stenen en andere projectielen. De politie...